Google search CrackU CMAT mock tests. Click on the first link and get 5 CMAT mock tests in the latest pattern. Also, check out the 5 TISSNET mock tests in the latest pattern. After submitting the mock, you can get detailed solutions with analysis.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cracko video series. There are only a few days left for the TISSNET 2023 examination and many aspirants are tense and would be looking for some last minute tips to give the best performance in the exam. So in this video, we will provide some helpful last minute tips including important topics, videos to watch and tips during examination. So let's get started. As we all know, the TISSNET exam will be held on February 25th, that is Saturday, and the timings are 2 p.m. to 3:40 p.m. The admit cards have already been released on its official website. If you still need to download it, please visit the TISSNET 2023 official website and download your admit card. The link to download the admit card is given in the description, so please check it out. Without admit card, candidates are not allowed to take the examination. Firstly, let us look at brief about the TISSNET examination pattern. There will be 3 sections including English proficiency, mathematics and logical reasoning and general awareness. A total of 100 questions will be given and each question carries 1 mark. And please note that there is no negative marking for this examination. The exam duration is 1 hour 40 minutes. So this is all about the examination pattern. So now let us see the last minute tips for TISSNET 2023. Revise all the essential topics. So let us see all the essential topics from each section. If you can see from VRC section, reading comprehension, antonyms or synonyms, word analogies, para jumbles, error corrections and etc. are some of the important topics to be covered from VRC section. And next we have mathematics and logical reasoning section. Here in this section, basic arithmetic, basic algebra, basic geometry, these are some of the important topics from mathematics. Arithmetic is an integration of various topics such as ratio and proportions, averages, percentages and etc. So these are the important topics to be covered from mathematics. And coming to the logical reasoning part, identifying patterns in number sets, relationships, and finally determining the validity of conclusions based on the given premises. So these are some of the important topics from logical reasoning part. Next we have general awareness. So this is the third section, which is also a scoring section. So in this section, current affairs, new inventions and discoveries, famous authors, India's GDP and knowing about countries, capitals, currencies and important movements and etc. So these are some of the important topics to be covered from general awareness section. And finally, please remember that maintain balance on speed and accuracy. So there is no point in attempting more questions but inaccurately. So both are very important for high scores. Next, important videos to watch in these last few days. As we all know, the GK section has 40 questions, which is also a scoring section. So it is advised to check out our top 500 GK questions video, which was uploaded on our YouTube channel. This video consists of latest current affairs and static GK questions. So the link for this video is given in the description, so please check it out. And also we have made monthly current affairs videos containing all the latest current affairs in detail. The link to this playlist is given in the description, so please check it out. And finally, live preparation videos. We have made a few live sessions on TISSNET 2023 preparation. So the link for the same is also given in the description, so please check it out. So it is highly recommended. Do watch these videos in these last few days. And finally, let us see some helpful tips while taking the examination. Firstly, we have time management. As there are 100 questions, we have 1 hour 40 minutes to solve them. One must need to manage their time to attempt all the questions. Here, the time is very crucial in this examination. And next, exam taking strategy. Having an exam taking strategy is very crucial. One of the most common strategies for many aspirants is to start with GK section because you can quickly decide whether to attempt the question or not. So you can save a lot of time by starting with the GK section and can immediately move on to the other 2 sections. And finally, please note that attempt all the easy questions first. After solving all those questions, try to attempt and complete all the remaining questions because there is no negative marking for this exam. I hope these tips will help you. For more important updates, please like the video and subscribe for the channel. So thank you so much guys and all the best for your examination.